Have you ever experienced those dreaded mornings where everything seems to conspire against you? The alarm blaring like a fire siren, the relentless rush to get ready, and the anxiety of facing the day unprepared. But in the midst of the morning madness, I stumbled upon an unexpected lifeline, a habit that would transform my mornings from a daily ordeal to a source of inspiration, focus, and tranquility. It's called journaling. And it's not just a game changer, it's a life changer. I used to think that journaling was for like softies. You know, when you watch those movies as a kid where girls are journaling their thoughts and feelings, and then the guys at school kind of make fun of them. They find their journal and they read it to class, and the girl cries. And I've watched way too many of these. What really sold me on making this a daily routine of mine and sharing it with you guys is these 4 benefits that have just been super beneficial to me. First benefit being gratitude. Turns out that gratitude is like a secret weapon that we all possess, but we just fail to utilize. In our fast-paced modern lives, it's so easy to get caught up in the pursuit of just wanting more and more. More success, more possessions, more experiences. And I find that this quest often makes me feel really unsatisfied, as if I'm chasing some ever elusive mirage. Morning journaling changed this for me. It introduced a ritual where I dedicated a portion of my mornings to gratitude. Every morning I pause and consider the aspects of my life that I'm truly grateful for. Things like just being healthy, having my parents, living in Southern California, although the taxes are insane. And as I started to do this more and more, my perspective started to change a lot. I began to see a world through a different lens in a sense, and my depression started to lift a bit more, and I just started to reaffirm that things aren't as bad as I may think they are in the moment. But what astonished me the most was how this practice rippled into every other aspect of my life. I found myself more patient in traffic jams, more forgiving of life's little annoyances, and more compassionate towards others. It's as if gratitude has made a transformative effect on my mindset. Problems that once seemed insurmountable started to begin to feel like opportunities for growth. And gratitude has become an anchor for me in this crazy, chaotic world where even in the darkest moments, there's always something to be appreciative for. The next benefit I experienced is clarity. Before I started journaling, my mornings were just a complete blur. I'd wake up with like a vague sense of what needed to be done, but I wouldn't have an actual clear roadmap that would get me through the day. And this lack of direction just often made me feel overwhelmed and reactive, as if I was walking through a maze blindfolded. And one of the beauties of morning journaling lies in its power to provide a structured pause at the start of each day. It's a time where I sit down with my thoughts, reflect on my goals, and map out the tasks that will lead me towards those objectives. By articulating my intentions in writing, I not only am clarifying what needs to be done, but I'm making a commitment to do them. And this ability to filter out those distractions and see things in front of me that are truly important has allowed me to stay focused on them and then spend less time scrolling on social media and doing things that are just unconstructive to fulfilling my goals. This newfound focus has transformed my days from chronic and reactive to purposeful and proactive. The next transformative benefit has been my memory recall. There's something about getting older, at least for me, where my memory is just less and less every other week. It was always really embarrassing for me when people would ask me what I did over the past weekend, and I wouldn't even be able to respond because I truly didn't even remember what I did that past weekend. But now I don't have that issue anymore because it's literally in a book. Apparently I sat on the couch and watched Golden Girls. And it's been really cool to just be able to have a record where I can recall past events that I may have forgotten about. And I love this about YouTube because it acts as a time capsule where I'll look back on this maybe a year from now and I'll be able to recall the events that were happening that day where otherwise I probably would not have. And a couple years ago, I would have said my memory was just in a complete decline, but now, after having done this, I'm able to recall things a lot easier. I kind of look at it like a mental workout where I'm just enhancing my ability to recall things and remember things more in greater detail. Now I'm finding myself being able to recall past events a lot more vividly, like I'm going through a picture book or something. And having this enhanced memory has made me a more proficient storyteller because I'm not trying to make up pieces to fill gaps in my story along the way because I'm able to recall what actually happened. And it makes life's moments more vivid and meaningful, and you want to share them because you have something that's in your brain that you just want to express and get out. The next benefit has been my increased self-awareness. I've witnessed in real time just that ability to recognize and understand my emotions. As I pen down my thoughts and my feelings every morning, I'm starting to see these nuances and patterns that are forming on my emotional landscape. This has helped me navigate challenges with a greater understanding of who I am and what I want for myself and what my past self would be telling my future self that I should be doing. I knew I wanted to make videos for 10 years now, but I never started because I was really scared of judgment and everything else. And what I would recall in my journals was that feeling of want, but just being too afraid to do it. And I was noticing these patterns throughout the years where it was the same thing, where I'd ask myself what I wanted, but I was afraid to actually admit to myself what that was. And that's when I started to question my assumptions and challenge my biases and really just admit to myself that this was something that I at least wanted to try out. And this clarity not only allowed me to make decisions that were aligned with my authentic self, but with purpose and intention. Self-awareness has helped me adopt better coping strategies and habits that are actually aligned with who I truly am and what I'm trying to accomplish. I'm able to bounce back from setbacks with a greater sense of strength and determination. And this has played a pivotal role in my resilience. Being able to reflect on this journey of making this YouTube channel and just having that resilience to hang in there and continue to make videos and stay consistent even though I'm not getting the immediate results that I want, and just knowing that it's a journey and I'm just committed to doing this, and I have the resilience and I have the ability to blow this thing up, and I'm going to. I'm at that place now because through this habit, I've discovered that success isn't a destination. It's a journey that requires consistent effort and purposeful direction. This habit changed my life, and I think it'll change yours too, and it'll give each day you have more meaning and purpose. If you guys got value out of this video, it would mean a ton if you give it a thumbs up. If you want to share it with someone that you think could benefit from it. If you want to subscribe if you haven't, I would love that. You can share it with the Keebler elf. All that matters is you stuck around, and I love you for that. And I'll catch you in the next video. Later.